Look at this problem. Lot of hidden trial required. A, B, C, D, four children playing a game of passing balls. If the child receiving the ball does not pass it immediately to the one from whom he gets it. A held the ball for 3 times, B for 5 times, and C for 7 times. If C started the game and the first last holding the ball also counts, then the number of questions. Okay. Starting with C, you have to ensure C is getting it 7 times. So this is 1 time. Then A, and we need to minimum number to be B, C, A, B, C. A twice given. A thrice. B, C. I cannot give B A anymore. D, B, C. So D how many times? D 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times given. Another D we can give. Okay. So how many times I've got C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can end with G, and now D has got only 3 times, but 7 C's are not ensured. So I need to add some more D. So if I make it C A B, C B B, C A B, C A D C, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 C's are given. 5 C's are given. 1, 2 D's are given. A 3 exhausted. B 2 more left. D B C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C's are given. D B C D. How many B's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B's. So B exactly used the number of times it is allowed to. So here how many D I have required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minimum 5 is required. Minimum 5 is required. I cannot replace any D. Why I cannot replace from this list? Because all the B's are, if I remove a D, I have to add a or a B to replace it. But all A and B are already exhausted. Okay. Next part of the problem. Maximum number of times D held the ball would have been. Now we have to maximize D. So starting with C, D, B, A, T, C, B, D, A, B, D. So two A's are utilized. A, C, D. 1, 2, 3 A's done. 1, 2, 3 B's are also utilized. C, B, D, C. How many C's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many B's? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have one more B. B, D, C. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 C's are used. But I cannot use any more C here. So this is not the right approach. Starting with C, then I'm going to B, then D, then A. As a 7 C's I have to utilize. C, D, B, C, D, A, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4 C's. B, C, D, A, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C's. 1, 2, 3 A's used. How many B's we are having? B's are allowed for 5 times. 1, 2, 3. So I can use more B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 C's are used. How many B's I've used? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more B I can have. So B here ended. So how many D's I've utilized? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And any place I can use a mode D. After every 2 letter I'll be using a D. 2 letter D, then 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 2 letter again D, then 2 letter again D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 D's can be used. Can I increase one more? Can I increase one more? What if immediately after say I send it to a D? C, D, B, A, D, C, A, D, B, C, D, B, A, D. 1, 2, 3. 3 A's utilized. How many C's utilized? 1, 2, 3. Only 3. 4 C's are still left with. B, 1, 2, 3. So I would not use a B here. I'll use C every time with B or A. C, D, C, D, then A, then again C, D, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B, C's utilized. 5 C's utilized. 1, 2, 3 A's utilized. 1, 2, 3 B's utilized. B, C, D, B, C, D. So how many B's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B's utilized. How many C's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 C's left. E, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 can be asked.